Okay, I will try to go as quick as possible. Okay, with the drone. This is your drone. I mean, how are you gonna know this? Okay, if you're gonna take a look, this is the FPV module. I already opened it. I will put back together and give you. If you want, I can give it this thing back to you. This thing is no good. Okay, in order to fix this, I have to open it up. That's why it's open. And there was a tape around this. I have to remove it. But I'm just showing you so you know it's yours. How are you gonna know? Well. You see this address? This MAC address? How you will know simply is because this MAC address is the MAC address which you got right there on the bottom of the drone, of the stick here. I don't know if you can see it. Those numbers. It says, I'm gonna just follow the last four, 0ACD, and this is gonna say right here 0. Jesus, focus. 0. Oh my gosh. 0A. This is C and looks like C, but it's actually D. And I can show you in the app what I mean by this. So what I'm gonna do, I will try to quickly just power this thing up. Like I said, I was trying to repair this, but this will not work. I got all the cables. Come on, let's go. I got this. I'm gonna power the remote controller. Is this the remote controller? I guess it's yours, right? Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is yours. And the repeater. Always look for the names. Okay, it says Phantom blah, whatever it says. I just want to show you. So I'm gonna power this thing quickly. It's on, and I got my Samsung tablet and also the iPhone. Doesn't matter which one I'm gonna be using. Let's say I'm gonna power my tablet. Go to the network. I'm trying to go quick, like I said, and we wait for this name. In my wait basically for this name to show up, which is, what is this? Phantom. Jesus. There you go. This name. There you go. It's right there. So I'm gonna connect to it. I'm connected, obtaining IP address, and I'm connected. I can close this. I just want to show you that your camera, you don't see it now, but you will see it. So now I will go to the DJI Vision app. I'm sorry, I'm doing this quickly. And we wait. The name right there, that's the name of this. Right? If you get the green light, normally if everything is set up correctly, you should have the picture, but you will not have it. With this thing, I don't think there's a spinning, on an Android there's no spinning circle, I believe. It would just say broken connection or something. Okay, so that's why you don't see this. If I hooked up this, it will have this rounded circle. But okay, I don't want to spend not much time here. I'm just gonna go to setting and show you something. How you know if it's yours or not. Some people may lie, but this is yours. If you go to binding, this MAC address will show up right there. You see, it says 0. I'm sorry. This number. I'm just following the last four. 0ACD. So that's what it is. 0ACD. And you got it also the sticker on the back. So this basically means and proves you that this is your unit. It's not like I'm doing something, like I'm trying to screw you up or something. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, like I said, I have to charge you, but I will give you this one. I fixed this one. It's from one of my drones. Okay. I put your new MAC address. And this is the MAC address which you will see eventually right there. Okay, you're not gonna have this MAC address underneath of the drone on a sticker, because this is not yours. This is mine. Okay, so I will have to swap it. That's how you know. I was trying to fix this. That's why, like I said, I open it. This thing is, I put screws, and I got also, not always, but sometimes I just put the little, marking so nobody mess around with this. And the tape was replaced, and I put it basically different tape. Okay, So yeah, that's why you don't have it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the same thing now. I'm gonna close this, disconnect. I don't want to make this video too long, but what I'm gonna do, come on, network, I'm gonna turn it off, and I will go quickly with this now. Okay, let me see. I'm sorry, I don't want to that's my clear. Okay, I go to network, sorry, Wi-Fi, and the same thing, we're waiting for this phantom. There you go, this is the phantom. Waiting until you establish connection. Okay, the other thing you said, I mean, it's taking so long or to connect it. The best thing for this to is actually do it outside, where there is not much of the Wi-Fi interference. Now I'm gonna go to my Vision app. Okay, the same thing. We got solid green. Normally, if you got the solid green and everything is working, you should have the picture, but you don't have it, and that's what you mentioned to me before. You're gonna have this. That's what you got. You got this because this thing is not working, and it's not just not working, you can't fix it anymore. This thing is born out. I'm not gonna go to specific why. There is a reason why this thing is, I mean, yours is specific not working, and you can't do nothing with it. The chipset is burned. So yeah, like I said, I go one more time, nothing gonna happen. Okay, so Jesus, let me close this. I will power up the drone, and give me a second. I'm gonna swap this quickly, okay? But I don't have two hands, so I will just grab. I will try to do it my best. Let me try one. Oh Jesus! Come on! I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so disconnect some wires. Boom. This normally there's adhesive underneath, okay, which is very strong. Okay, there's a little clip. I'm sorry, I gotta go like this. Alright, I got this one out, and I'm gonna put mine now. Give me a second, I have to hook up the wires, just a sec. Alright. Like I said, I mean, I can't give it away for free. I mean, this thing, it's this module, they're expensive. They're $100 on eBay. I understand this drone is not new, but it is. I mean, from my point, you gotta understand me. From my point of view, actually, I'm giving away this for well lower than what I could just simply sell it on eBay. But I'm trying to be fair with people. Okay, you already spent some money. I just want to get my money back pretty much on this thing. I shouldn't be. I mean, like I said. All right. Okay, we're back. I got this hooked up. Okay. At this point, it's not simply plug and play. I have to bind this now with this. I will try to do it quickly. Give me a sec. Okay. And I will show you how I'm gonna do it. Actually, the video actually gonna be a little bit more. Okay. You don't have to do it once everything is working, unless you have some issues, then you do it. There's a little hole, okay? There's a button down there. You're gonna press it. I'm trying to do it with one hand, okay? So give me a sec. I'll put it maybe like this. So what you do, you stick something, you press it, and you wait for this light to go off. System light. It should be plenty enough. See? Okay, release it. You can turn it off then and power back on. Okay, I got this power. You may turn it off. You may the remote control. You don't have to. And now I'm gonna power on the drone. And remember, since this is new, I have to bind it to your Wi-Fi extender. So I'm grabbing my tablet. I prefer doing this on an Android, on an iPhone. It depends. This thing actually also depends what type of devices you are using. Sometimes this thing may not become fully compatible with some of the devices. Okay, now because I reset it, we're waiting for this to show up. Okay, we got it. Okay, we connect to it. So what you gotta do? You gotta connect. and then we're gonna, once we establish the connection, I'll be able to do the binding process. How I do that? We go to Jesus. Why I got this, I don't know. There you go. Okay, that's what I was wondering. I shouldn't have any. Let me see one more time. I'm connected. I go to setting. I go to binding. I shouldn't have this other name anymore. Okay. So how I put it? You press this mark. Okay, and this opens like this. And now we're gonna put those numbers. 01 F4. 01 F4. You don't have to go capital, just F4, and the last, it's what, 94. 94. Okay, done. And now you're gonna press this once and then second time. Once, and we're waiting. Okay, good. And then I press second time. We gotta have a message, bind successfully or something like in those lines. Boom. And now I just bind this with this. It's good. It's not simple now. It's not simply going back. Once you bind it, this will get disconnected. Okay. I mean, this will get disconnected from the Wi-Fi, from the Phantom Wi-Fi network. So you got to go one more time to set Wi-Fi setting and reconnect it right here. Connected. You're waiting. I didn't get connected. One more time. Connect. Obtaining IP address. You're waiting. Obtaining. Like I said, this portion is best to do it where there's not a lot of interference. So that's why it's best to go out, go in, open field, and that's why you fly the drone. And it's advised to even put your phone to plane mode. Okay. Now, as you can see, we connected. So we close this, and I open the Vision app one more time. Okay. And now I want you to see something. If I go to binding, the name is going to be different. See, this is the new FPV module, the one I just put it to you, 101 F494, right? And you don't do anything right here. You don't have to touch it. You be just good. I'm connected. So if I press this now, I should have a video. Wait, boom. Now we got a video. I want to show you. Oh, show me a hand. I'm sorry. You see? I'm putting oh my god, I can't do it. Everything like, okay, take a look. I'm gonna go up, and the camera will go up. I grab the drone. If you take a look, see? You can take a look. Alright? There's a picture, as you can see. So yeah, it's all done. I gotta just put it back. I gotta just put this all back together. Put this a little secure, a little secure. Once there's one screw to be put it right there to secure this module, and all set. And yeah, that's it. You let me know if you want this thing or not. I can use the one board. There's two boards actually inside, and I still believe one of the board is good. What the problem was with yours from the factory, on this side you see this offset, on this exactly display spot there's a chipset, and this chipset normally there's a not thermopaste, there's a little thermopad to transfer the heat to this case. And this pad was missing from the factory, and that's why I think this failed over time, because of the heat. Okay. Yep. So yeah, we got, like I said, we got good. I can now show you that this is, if I power on the drone, this will die, or this will freeze, and you may have a message, broken connection or something. Take a look. There you go. If I want to establish connection, let me power on. same thing. Now it's broken connection. I got disconnected from the Wi-Fi, from my home Wi-Fi. I'm trying to go fast. One more time, we go back to Wi-Fi network list, and we're waiting to get our Phantom. We're waiting for this Phantom to show up in the list. Once we see it, we're gonna connect to it. Actually, this video, so there you go. Boom. Connected. Boom. And boom. And boom. I got a video right away. See? Oh, there you go. There you go. Alright. So yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you actually. I'm trying to do things. There you go. So everything, even the phone. There you go. All right. So that's the thing with yours. Come on, go back. All right. What else? Pretty much all set. So I'm gonna be giving you this one, okay? Let me know if it's okay to keep this. Like I said, there's only one. There's two boards inside. One is still good, I believe, but the one is bad. The one which you really need. The one which is good is the power supply portion of this. That's why you saw this. Let's say that's why you still see this under. When this thing is hooked up, that's why you still was able to see under setting, because it's receiving the power correct way. But it's not working as it should, and it's actually no way to fix this. Okay, you gotta replace the chipset on one of this board, or have the honor board. Let's say, like I said, pretty much you can use this for parts. It's bad. What else? That's it. If you're gonna have any questions, just let me know. I can ship it this tomorrow. I just gotta get paid. I'm gonna give you my Venmo contact. Actually, you can use my phone number 847-208-0901 to send me the money, okay, on Venmo, or we'll figure out this part as we go. Okay, thanks a lot.